Hi there, I'm Kenny, and I'm going to give you a tour on how you can use this free invoice generator template made with Coda. And for everyone that's new to Coda, quick background, it's a new type of document that combines the best elements of documents, spreadsheets, and applications all in one place and lets end users build just about any sort of tool that they need to either run their teams or their own projects super effectively. So the first part of getting started with this template, click this button here that says Get Started, Copy Doc. If you don't have a Coda account through that process, you'll end up creating one, but it's totally free. You should be able to use the free tier on Coda just fine in this document. Um, Once you do that, you'll have your own doc. You can go ahead and customize it, change the cover photo. And I think step one, we want to make your invoice kind of look the way you want to and reflect your business. So if you click on this section here called Invoice, change the logo, change all of the address and stuff like that. If you want to put any instructions or how you want people to send payments, this is where you would do it. So this is going to be what turns out to be your finished product. Next, we'll go to the customer section and we will add a new customer and kind of go through the flow of this. So let's say Adam Smith, and he lives at 73 Main Street, Sunnyvale, adam at gmail.com. And let's say Adam's got a new purchase. I can either hit this new purchase button here, I can go here and I've got that same button right there. Or there's a transactions table which has a list of everything that you've ever sold, and I can do the same thing here. So if I click add transaction here, I'll select Adam Smith and imagine I have a dog grooming and babysitting business. So I'll say dog walking. The transaction date, we're going to be Friday, and he's going to owe the payment at the end of the month, and the price will be 30, and I did this one time. So he owes $30. So you can now see Adam's row of what he owes is there. If I go to the customer section, Adam's page now has his transaction there. And if you want to send Adam an invoice, you go here and there's a little drop down where it says customer, and I will just select Adam. And from here, all you have to do is click these three little dots here, go to print in PDF, and you can either print it if you actually want a physical piece of paper invoice, or save as a PDF if you're going to send it digitally. And that will export to a really nice little file that you can go ahead and send off to your customers. The other neat thing that I can show you in this document is a quick dashboard section. So the cool thing about Coda, you can really customize it and use things like formulas and graphs and different views of tables to show whatever data you want. So in my case, I wanted to have a simple dashboard where I could see how many total customers did I have, how much money has the business made, what are the collections, what are the outstanding invoices, et cetera. And all of these are formulas. For example, this is going to the transactions table, it's grabbing the column called total, and it's doing a sum for that. Formulas in Coda are really similar to spreadsheet formulas, and if you are new to it, there's a whole bunch of help content if you go to coda.io/help, that will help you get started. But all of this, you can kind of make your own and customize it to work exactly the way you want to. Hopefully this is useful for all of you folks that have small businesses and want a really quick and easy way to send a professional looking invoice, still stay organized on all the transactions that you need, and you don't have to go think about buying some fancy piece of software to do this. You could run this all in Coda. Cool. Enjoy.